Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how I created this keychain. To make the keychain, I am using some heart-shaped cutting dies. If you don't have such dies, then you can also use scissors to cut the paper. Select the size of the dies to make the keychain. Now place the die on top of paper and pass it through the die cutting machine. I used 13 such cutouts. I also cut out 2 pieces from this satin paper. Now align the dies as shown to get a heart-shaped frame. Hold the dies in place using some tape. I cut out 7 such frames out of white cardstock and 1 out of satin paper. Now adhere 9 cutouts in one set and the remaining 4 in the other set. The thicker piece will be used as the base and the thinner one as the top. Adhere 5 heart frames to the base piece, 1 to the satin paper and save 1 for later. Also adhere the satin hearts at the front side of the top piece and back side of the base. Now punch a hole out of the heart frame. Trace the hole on the top piece and punch it out. Use a brad to hold the pieces together. Secure the backside of the brad using a piece of double-sided tape. Adhere a piece of acetate using some double-sided tape. Also adhere the remaining heart frame as shown. Now you can adhere your picture or a piece of designer paper inside the heart. Fill the heart with some sequins. Now make a loop out of a satin ribbon as shown in the video. You can attach your keychain to this loop. Also adhere the top part of the keychain. Measure the thickness of the frame and adhere a satin paper strip as shown. You can also write your name at the top of the keychain. That completes today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.